One small welding mistake can break a big machine.
But one honest welder can save the whole day!
Don't worry, I will fix it.
Ali, my factory machine broke down. Work has completely stopped.
What happened?
A gear snapped. Production halted.
The welding machine glows and melts the metal perfectly. Ali joins the broken steel pieces strongly. Cleaning the weld now. It's strong. The machine is working again. You are the most honest welder. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Good work always brings trust.
If you liked Ali's workshop and this welding story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel.